ENVI is the premier software solution for processing and analyzing geospatial imagery for defense and intelligence personnel to get meaningful information from imagery. ENVI can be used in a wide variety of applications, including this beach landing terrain analysis. In this application, ships wish to approach and land at the eastern shore of Fiji. They have a need to safely land at one of the beaches, taking into account vegetation, shore land cover, and relative water depth. Using the NDVI Vegetation Analysis, Image Classification, and SPEAR Relative Water Depth tools in ENVI, they can select the desired beaches for landing. In this analysis, we will generate 3 different types of results, including land cover classification, relative water depth, and vegetation density, and then use the decision tree tool in ENVI to take these 3 different data types together and combine them to locate desirable beach landing regions. For this analysis, our input imagery will be a QuickBird image over Fiji, and we will use the classification workflow in ENVI, which allows you to quickly and easily achieve classification results. We will select the input raster image and select Next, and then select to use training data to classify the image. This training data will classify the image into 6 categories as shown here, including vegetation, bare rock, sand, cloud, shallow water or surf, and also ocean. We can also use the preview window in ENVI to see a preview of these processing results and make any changes on the fly. Optional smoothing and aggregation will provide a cleaner classification result. And here is the image classification result as shown in ENVI. We can also take advantage of some of the checkboxes in ENVI-5 to see the classes of interest on top of the original image. The next product that we'll create will be a relative water depth result. Here we will use the SPEAR workflow for relative water depth as selected from the toolbox, and this will take you through the necessary steps in a wizard-like environment. We will be able to easily generate bathymetry data and then apply color tables to see the result. Here is the relative water depth result as shown in ENVI, and darker blue areas denote deeper water, and lighter blue areas denote more shallow water. The next type of imagery analysis product we'll create will be a vegetation analysis result. The NDVI transform is one of the many vegetation analysis tools available in ENVI. We will select our input raster data, and ENVI will automatically calculate the NDVI vegetation analysis result. Brighter green regions denote more dense vegetation, and lighter green is less dense vegetation. Now that we've created the image classification result, the relative water depth result, and the vegetation analysis result, we can take all 3 of these different types of products and use them in the ENVI decision tree tool. This tool can analyze multiple types of data to achieve the desired result. The tool will make decisions based on different parameters that we set, depending on the image classification type, the vegetation level, and the relative water depth. Here's the decision tree result as shown in ENVI, and by viewing it on top of the original image, you can now see the different regions more clearly. Green areas denote suitable regions, and red areas denote regions to avoid. You can easily share data in ArcMap and create map products to show the beach landing regions. The regions to avoid are shown in red. These are areas, as a result of the decision tree, show more dense vegetation beyond shore, they are less sandy, and the water depth will be inappropriate. The potential landing region will be shown in white, showing less vegetation beyond shore, a sandy or bare shoreline, and the water depth will be appropriate. For more information, please visit us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and also our website at www.excellusvis.com. For any questions, please contact us at info@excellusvis.com. Thank you.